Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking post for your electronics store. If you sell electronic devices or gadgets, then this video is for you. If you want to create one yourself, you can use Canva. The best part about Canva is that you don't need any experience or creativity. You also don't have to create a design from scratch. You can simply modify, adjust, and replace elements in templates already created by professionals. So, you just go to the search bar and type Electronics Instagram Post. We are creating a post for Instagram, which is why we have added Instagram Post at the end. If you want to create one for Facebook, just type Facebook Post. These are the templates available to me. I'll go to the See All option to explore all the available templates. Now you can see that various electronics templates are available here, from minimal to professional-looking designs. I'll go with maybe this one. This one is free and looks good. Or perhaps this one. I'll go with this one. This one is free. I'll just explore the options, and whichever template you like, just click on Customize this template. Now you can see that I have full access to modify whatever I want, like this. Starting with the text, if you want to customize it, double-click on it. If you want to add or remove text, you can do that as well. These are the available text customization features. If you want to change the font, you can do so. If you want to increase or decrease the size, this option is for resizing your text. This one is for changing the text color, and these options are for making the text bold, italic, or underline. These are the available features. You can try them out. They're basic, so you'll understand them easily. Now, if you want to change the background, just click on the background, go to the color option, and change the color like this. Or, if you want to remove it completely, or if you want to remove the entire background, just press Backspace on your keyboard, and your background will be removed. Now, moving on to replacing an image. For your information, if you are adding product images like this and want to replace one, you need to add a product image that has no background. If you are using the Pro version, you can remove the background here itself. However, if you are using the free version, you need to upload images that have no background. So, for example, to upload your image, go to Uploads and upload images from your PC. If you upload a product image that has a background, it will look like this. If you have the Pro version, then you can remove the background. However, if you have the free version, you need to upload a product image that has no background. You can remove the product image background using another website, but make sure to upload product images that have no background. I'll just remove it. Or what I can do is I'll just drag and drop it. Now you can see that it has a background. I'll just remove it from here. Now I'll make it a bit larger, and I'll just adjust it. Now you can see that I have adjusted it. I hope you understand what I mean. You need to upload images that have no background for this type of image replacement. In a similar way, this image has no background, which is why it is here right now, and it looks good. This one also has no background, so you can add your own text, images, details, contact information, background colors, and more. Customize whatever you like and add whatever you want. Once you are satisfied with the design you have modified or customized, rename your file, go to Share, then go to Download and download it in PNG or any other available format. Just download it and your electronics store post is ready to upload to your social media. Thank you for watching.